Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the Going Zero Waste YouTube channel. I'm Katherine Kellogg and today I'm doing a what I eat in a day, which is plant-based and zero waste. I am super excited to be partnering with MegaFood today. I know that a lot of people think when it comes to eating plant-based and zero waste, that can mean a lot more work in the kitchen, but I think my meals are pretty quick and snappy and really tasty. So yeah, let's get started. I really like to start my day around 6 a.m. Of course, it's pitch black at 6 a.m., so I am filming this just a little bit later, but I like to start my day with a cup of herbal tea, as well as taking my supplements and a large glass of water. The multivitamin I take on a regular basis is MegaFood Multi for Women, which is specially for women seeking optimal health and well-being with vitamins B, D, A, C, and E. If you're eating a vegan or plant-based diet, you should really be taking at least a B12 vitamin. MegaFood has a great option for this. I personally have struggled with a hormone imbalance in the past and find it beneficial to take a B complex, but if you have any questions about what supplements you should be taking, it's best to consult a doctor and see what is right for you. MegaFood is a certified B Corporation, which means they meet a strict code of social and environmental practices. They have a really impressive roster of certifications like non-GMO Project Verified, certified glyphosate-free, tested for 125 plus pesticides and herbicides. They're also really committed to organic and regenerative agriculture, which I really appreciate. Up next, I am starting with breakfast. I really love to make oatmeal. I like to make apple cinnamon oatmeal. It's one of my all-time favorites, and I start out with just peeling and cubing a fresh apple, add in a little bit of olive oil to the pan, some cinnamon, and give that a stir. I'm gonna let the apples soften up before I transfer them to a separate dish. Now in the same pot, I'm adding some homemade cashew milk, a few tablespoons of peanut butter, and around half a cup of oats. Once those have all cooked up and absorbed that liquid, I'm gonna add in the apples, give it a quick stir, of course add a little bit more cinnamon, and then place it inside my bowl because it is ready to eat. I also like to sprinkle with some chia seeds on top. And don't forget to compost your scraps. I like to store my scraps in the freezer inside of an old mixing bowl, and I just take them out to the compost bin whenever I have a chance. So now it is time to sit down and dive into my breakfast with a cloth napkin, and that's my happy dance. So we can move on to lunch. Lunch, I really like to prep soup at the beginning of the week. That way I can eat for lunch. This is a carrot, ginger, an apple soup that I absolutely love, and curried. I forgot curry. Curried carrot and ginger apple soup, topped with some pumpkin seeds, a drizzle of olive oil, and cashew yogurt. I made a huge mess, but thank goodness for my handy dandy cloth napkin. This is one of my all-time favorite soups, and I'm going to link to the recipe down in the description box below in case you want to check that out. I also have a full blog post where I've linked to all of the recipes as well as the supplements that I'm currently taking from MegaFood. Now it is snack time. I really like to do some bell peppers with some homemade hummus. I really believe in cooking once and eating a few times, so you'll notice I've prepped quite a few things before. Now it is dinner time. I'm going to roast a sweet potato, and I am making a little spice mixture that has things like ancho chili powder, sweet smoked Spanish paprika, some seasoned salt, garlic, and onion powder. I'm going to sprinkle that on to the sweet potatoes and roast these for about 45 minutes at 350. And look at those cuties! So cute. So that is going into the toaster oven because our actual oven doesn't work very well. It doesn't heat below 500 degrees. So the only thing it's good for is making pizza. I'm also going to cut some red cabbage wedges, put those in a little bit of olive oil, and saute those on medium heat so they get nice and caramelized. Now, earlier this week, I prepped some brown rice and black beans. Now, this is a little sauce with avocado, homemade cashew yogurt, salt, and lime. And it's gonna go perfect with this little bowl I am making. So these cabbages are looking nice and golden. I'm going to pour a little bit of water in that pan, cover it, and let them steam and soften while the roasted sweet potatoes roast for another 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the kitchen while this is happening, and 30 minutes later, boom, dinner is ready. So this only took about, less than 30 minutes to prepare, and then 30 minutes of downtime where I actually started editing this video. And then I am just going to top this with some arugula for some added greens, and then throw on some of that delicious avocado lime dressing that I made, making this just so good. I find that any protein, grain, in-season veggies plus a delicious dressing, you just can't go wrong. Zero waste meals don't have to be that complicated. And now I'm finishing with one of my favorite things, 2 squares of dark chocolate. Now it's time to start winding down and start heading to bed. I often have trouble falling asleep, but after establishing a really good nighttime routine, it's really improved. I've reduced tech use right before bed, keep the bedroom phone free, and like to wind down with a cup of herbal tea. MegaFood has team members who are experts when it comes to restful sleep. Aaron Stokes, a naturopathic doctor and medical director at MegaFood, shared a lot of great insights on nutrients and botanicals to help you sleep, which has been really informative, and I'll link that down below. So during the evening, along with my tea, I've been taking this herbal sleep supplement from MegaFood, which is formulated to provide a sense of relaxation and restorative sleep. It has honestly helped me a lot the last few weeks that I've been taking it. So while my tea is steeping, I'm gonna go run and change into my pajamas and wash my face and just really get a kickstart on winding my day down. I'm gonna read for a while and just enjoy some time without screens, allowing myself to fully relax. Alright, that's a wrap on my day. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, press that big red subscribe button to be notified when new videos are coming out, and I would like to give a huge shout out and thank you to MegaFood for sponsoring this post. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you guys are interested in seeing any more fast, quick, easy, low waste, zero waste, plant-based meals, all the things, please let me know in a comment down below and I will do my best to accommodate and film some more of these videos. All right, bye.